All right, Frankenstein C20 here today. Today I got the truck rolled out, getting a little sunlight. Gonna try and get this garage port cleared out so that I can get this thing moving on its own power once again. So yeah, getting ready to start turning wrenches soon. I gotta get all this carport over here cleared out. So yeah, I thought I'd just give it up once walk around, kind of look at some things that I got to do. It's on my list. So I guess starting here at the back here, gas tank is in somewhat. I got to bolt it down. Got to get that finalized. Got my rear brakes back here, rear disc. So gonna be working on the braking system, getting all that lined out. So them are 1975 Chevrolet rotors for 3/4 ton. So that's just standard Cadillac rear caliper. So it's all GM parts back there on that Dana 70. And if you look real close there, that's them big round spacers is what I had to come up with, because the dually rear end is different. That's how much shorter it is. But yeah, working on the brakes. So that's the back brakes. And then still got to bench bleed the master cylinder and all that. Then got my brake lines I need to bring up, get that all plumbed together, bleed out the brakes. We should be good. Got the front disc up here, 2.5 inch drop spindles, so should have a nice rake to it. So, and let's see, I got to do some brakes, get all my electrical hooked back up. Radiator, power steering, all that stuff. And that's pretty much it. Get this thing back to running again. And then getting everything cleaned up as much as I can. So got about half the wiring done. Got about halfway to go. So that battle's halfway over. Need to get me some seat belts. Don't know what to get yet. Haven't really thought that one that far, but yeah. So a little bit of wiring work. Get that going. I'm going to be putting a bed in here. That's going to be coming up soon. Because once I get this thing wired and fired, then and bolting the body together, I got the rear bed kit that I want. It's going to be aluminum. It's an aluminum bed, but it's going to look like wood. So should be pretty lightweight back here. And it should never rot. And right there's my air conditioning unit right there. The rear slider. That's the only air conditioning I want. So get back in here. So yeah, let's see, I did manage to drive it 1 mile around the block. Yep, but then I tore it back apart to finish it up. So yeah, that's where we're at there. Got all the dash lights and everything working, so that's cool. Console lights, that's all wired up. I got to finish the park and brake there. And then that's pretty straightforward. And then that there knob on my seat, that was the original shifting knob for the console there. So that was the original shifting knob from the Sport Fury console. Had to keep it, you know. But yeah, that's a good spot for it, and it fits. So, but yeah, and go around the front here. So there's the rest of my wiring. Front harness and then the rear harness there. The odds and end hoses, whatnot, put it back together and get this thing fired back up. Steering, I still got my inner and outer tie rod ends to go. Got the shocks to put on. Finished the front brake lines. Get the side pipes hooked back up. Man, this thing sounds good too with the side pipes. Clean it up, work the bugs out. And hopefully once again it's leak free. I had no leaks before, so, and it fired up right over first try. So let's hope for the same luck again. Transmission lines, then we're ready to go back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm got the front anti-sway bar to install in the end. I'm really curious to see how this thing is going to handle. I mean, hopefully it handles like a slot car, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this carport cleaned up, start rounding up some parts, and start getting this thing back together. One more time, this is my final time. You know how it is, you got to put it together, take it apart, put it together. So anyway, that's it for now today. So yeah, like, subscribe. Still shooting for 500, man. Either way, you're gonna see me there. So see ya.